Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. The concept of cruel optimism is associated with which theorist? A. Sara Ahmed, B. Lauren Berlant, C. Judith Butler, D. Eve Kosofsky Sedgwick. The right answer is option B. Lauren Berlant. In Cruel Optimism, 2011, Lauren Berlant argues that attachments to compromised conditions of possibility can impede flourishing. Optimism itself becomes an obstacle. Affect binds subjects to precarious systems. Next question. The Promise of Happiness critiques normative happiness discourse. Who wrote it? A. Judith Butler, B. Sara Ahmed, C. Bell Hooks, D. Nancy Fraser. The right answer is option B. Sara Ahmed. Sara Ahmed critiques how happiness disciplines bodies. Certain lives are constructed as happy objects. Happiness becomes ideological regulation. Next question. The term hyperobjects was introduced by which thinker? A. Timothy Morton, B. Bruno Latour, C. Jane Bennett, D. Donna Haraway. The right answer is option A. Timothy Morton. Timothy Morton defines hyperobjects as massively distributed entities like climate change. They exceed spatiotemporal scale. They challenge human-centered ontology. Next question. Vibrant Matter is a key work in new materialism by whom? A. Rossi Braidotti, B. Kare Barad, C. Jane Bennett, D. Elizabeth Grosz. The right answer is option C. Jane Bennett. Jane Bennett argues matter possesses agency. Materiality is lively. It destabilizes human exceptionalism. Next question. The concept of agential realism belongs to which theorist? A. Kare Barad, B. Judith Butler, C. Donna Haraway, D. and Catherine Hales. The right answer is option A. Kare Barad. Kare Barad merges quantum physics and feminist theory. Reality emerges through interaction. Observer and observed are entangled. Next question. Staying with the Trouble was written by which scholar? A. Rossi Braidotti, B. Donna Haraway, C. Gayatri Spivak, D. Dipesh Chakrabarti. The right answer is option B. Donna Haraway. In Staying with the Trouble, 2016, Donna Haraway proposes multi-species kinship. She rejects apocalyptic despair. She promotes collaborative survival. Next question. The idea of queer temporality is most associated with which theorist? A. Jack Halberstam, B. Adrienne Rich, C. Eve Sedgwick, D. Judith Butler. The right answer is option A. Jack Halberstam. Jack Halberstam critiques heteronormative life schedules. Queer time disrupts reproductive futurism. It imagines alternative chronologies. Next question. Afropessimism is strongly associated with which contemporary thinker? A. Paul Gilroy, B. Frantz Fanon, C. Frank B. Wilderson, 3. D. Stuart Hall. The right answer is option C. Frank B. Wilderson, 3. Frank B. Wilderson, 3 argues anti-blackness structures modernity. Blackness occupies a position of social death. It radicalizes critical race theory. Next question. The concept of algorithmic culture is central to which field? A. Structuralism, B. Digital humanities, C. New criticism, D. Phenomenology. The right answer is option B. Digital humanities. Algorithmic systems shape cultural production. Data influences narrative forms. Literary studies engage computational methods. Next question. Cognitive mapping in postmodern theory is associated with whom? A. Frederick Jameson, B. Jean Baudrillard, C. Gilles Deleuze, D. Slavoj Zizek. The right answer is option A. Frederick Jameson. Frederick Jameson proposes cognitive mapping as a way to situate individuals in global capitalism. It is a political aesthetic strategy. Next question. Transcorporeality is a concept developed by which ecofeminist? A. Val Plumwood, B. Stacey Alaimo, C. Greta Garbo, D. Vandana Shiva. The right answer is option B. Stacey Alaimo. Stacey Alaimo argues bodies are inseparable from environmental flows. Human and non-human matter interpenetrate. Next question. Speculative realism challenges which dominant philosophical trend? A. Empiricism, B. Structuralism, C. Correlationism, D. Pragmatism. The right answer is option C. Correlationism. Speculative realism rejects the idea that we only know the correlation between thought and being. It seeks access to reality beyond human perception. Next question. Object-oriented ontology is closely linked to which philosopher? A. Graham Harman, B. Bruno Latour, C. Alain Badiou, D. Quentin Melissu. The right answer is option A. Graham Harman. Graham Harman argues objects withdraw from total access. Reality exceeds relations. Next question. Slow violence, was theorized by which scholar? A. Rob Nixon, B. Timothy Morton, C. Dipesh Chakrabarti, D. Arjun Appadurai. The right answer is option A. Rob Nixon. Rob Nixon defines slow violence as gradual environmental harm. It is dispersed across time and space. Next question. The Anthropocene, debates in literary studies concern what? A. Medieval historiography, B. Human geological impact, C. Linguistic determinism, D. Psychoanalytic trauma. The right answer is option B. Human geological impact. The Anthropocene marks the era of human planetary transformation. It reshapes ecocriticism and climate fiction studies. Next question. Plantationocene is proposed as a corrective to Anthropocene by which scholar? A. Timothy Morton, B. Anna Singh, C. Bruno Latour, D. Dipesh Chakrabarti. The right answer is option B. Anna Singh emphasizes plantation capitalism and racialized extraction. It foregrounds colonial histories and ecological crises. Next question. The concept of world literature as circulation and translation is strongly associated with which critic? A. Franco Moretti, B. Pascal Casanova, C. David Damrosch, D. Gayatri Spivak. The right answer is option C. David Damrosch defines world literature as works that gain in translation and circulation. It is a mode of reading across borders. Next question. Distant reading, as a methodological shift in literary studies, was introduced by whom? A. Franco Moretti, B. Matthew Joker, C. Raymond Williams, D. Terry Eagleton. The right answer is option A. Franco Moretti proposes large-scale data analysis instead of close reading. It is central to digital humanities.